Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. This is sharp 2015 Ford Econoline E150 cargo van. It's in very good condition. It's got lots of options. It's got the back windows. They're tinted, and it's got the cage behind it, so if someone breaks the window, they still can't get in. Got the side window also. Got your ladder rack. Most of these come plain with no option, but this one has remote keyless entry. It is a one-owner, clean Carfax, Tennessee vehicle, southern vehicle, no rust, non-smoker. Also, we've got power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. It's got nice clean cloth seats. It's got the metal partition behind you, so it keeps from object hitting you in the back if you hit the brakes. Got tilt steering. It's only got 89,535 miles. Not too bad. I've seen these with 300,000 miles still going, so plenty of life left. We've got cruise control. Looks like it's got Bluetooth for your phone. It's the first time I've seen that on one of these. Also got cruise control. Got the automatic transmission with the overdrive on and off button. Air conditioning. Right now it's trying to connect because I pushed that button. Well, it's got AM, FM, CD player. It's got auxiliary input, USB input, traction control. Got a couple outlets. And connect to Bluetooth. Here we go. It's still trying to connect, but anyway, it's got AM, FM. Plenty of cup holders, storage. You've got a lockable center console, lots of storage. Also got a clipboard. How about some keys? I've never seen that many extra keys. Got 2 remotes, 2 truck keys, and a bunch of keys for all the compartments back there. Owner's manual. This thing was over $30,000, and that was without all the options on it. So a new one like this, close to 35 grand probably. It's got the automatic dimming rearview mirror. Body's in good shape. Not a bunch of dents or scratch. Very clean. It's got some new Firestone tires with plenty of tread. You could put a ball here and make it where you can tow something. Pretty neat back here. Nice shelf here to work off, a workbench. Get some nice drawer, they lock. And also put this and they keep them coming out. Files. Lots of storage. Got storage underneath here too. In this compartment on both sides. It's got the vinyl floor. Here you can hook up some extension cord, rope, just whatever. It's in real good shape. Put a little chair here and have a place to work on things. rubber floor also to keep it easy clean. Got a nice clean engine compartment. It's a 4.6 liter. It's just been serviced. Ready to go to work. If you're looking for a sharp work van in excellent condition at an affordable price, this should do it. To see if this E150 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. You can fill out the credit application and I'll see what I can do. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.